We are back with the Dirty Defender. If you didn't see the last episode, we got this thing off a ranch in Arizona. It had been basically abandoned for 5 years. It was being used as a dumpster. You know, it was just a mess and it didn't run. Check out that video. Today we're gonna just blast the thing clean, top to bottom. We're gonna vacuum it, we're gonna pressure wash it, get everything clean so we can inspect it, and then we're gonna do some maintenance. So we're gonna do engine oil change, differential oil change, gearbox oil change. Yeah, let's get started. Let's get the pressure washer out and get going. Oh, here's some of the turds. I don't know what these are. Is that a snail turd? I don't know. If we have any turd experts, speak up in the comments. Can-Am cleaning kit, house brand. This was already here at the shop. It's convenient that we have this to clean now because it's filthy. Oh, here we go. Mud and dust off-road wash. We should have more bottles of this. You know what I'm not finding is wild animal turd remover. Now we're talking. All right, so we ripped a rough pass with the pressure washer, got a ton of stuff off of it, got the bed clean. We got a lot of cleaning ahead of us anyway. We'll keep knocking it, keep knocking it out. You know, we drive these things into water, we submerge them. It's gotta be okay to, hit it with a hose, just not too hard. I think we're relatively turd free now. It's nice of them to put drain holes in all the skid plates. You know, it doesn't look too bad wet. If we could just keep it wet the whole time, it'd look kind of shiny and better than it does. One filler plug, quick inspection of the O-ring, looking good. This is Maxima side-by-side front drive fluid. Okay, so we drained the rear drive unit and we're gonna refill it now with 75-140 as per the spec. I think we're gonna call that good. Almost up to the line. We'll let it settle and we'll check it again. Well, that's the messiest one so far. Not too bad though. Pristine. We'll clean the O-ring groove a little bit, make sure there's nothing in there. So we're just lightly lubricating the O-ring. This is the cover for the oil filter. And it's a new O-ring, which you get when you buy an oil change kit. So I'm a firm believer in torque wrenches on things like this, especially small fasteners in aluminum. So based on personal experience, what's the most important thing you can do when you're doing an oil change and you're about to pour oil in is make sure that you put the drain plug back in, because it happens. You leave it out and suddenly you're standing in a puddle of oil because you screwed up. Yep. She's full. We'll let it settle a little bit. We got some other things that we can work on, and we'll double check it before we start. Make sure it's spot on. Okay, next up, brakes. We're gonna bleed the brakes. But yeah, the color is some shade of off brown, like the rest of the rig. I'm gonna suction it out, drip it in here. That way we're starting in the reservoir with the freshest possible fluid, which I like because we don't have to run this dirty old business through the whole system. Okay, on to the next wheel. We've done our deed with the Dirty Defender. We've completed all the maintenance tasks that we set out to do. That was engine oil, front diff oil, gearbox oil. We bled the brakes all the way through, fresh fluid, all 4 corners. Brakes are working great. We have baseline maintenance on this thing, so we are ready to ride. We're gonna throw the wheels back on and hit the trail. It sets the course for what's next, which is modifying this thing to be more hardcore off-road. HC10 is a great unit in normal kind of off-road riding. It's also a great work unit. What we want to do is expand its off-road capability while not losing its utility. In any case, if you like what we are doing, smash the like button, as they like to say. It's not a love button, you don't have to love it, but do like it if you like it. Comment below if there's anything that you want to know about this, if you want to see another video about maintenance that's more in depth on a specific subject, comment below. Subscribe. We got a lot more good stuff coming. Yeah, hit that subscribe button and join us next time.